good morning Primary 2. How are you today? Miss Leah hopes that all of you are fine today. Okay, are you ready to start our English lesson for today? Today we will discuss about how to make the question when we want to ask our friends what kinds of the outside activities that they like to do. Okay, so let's see the pattern that we can use when we want to ask our friends. Okay, so when we want to ask our friends, when we want to know what do the outside activities that our friends like to do, we can use what plus do or does plus the subject plus like to do. When we want to answer, we can use subject plus like or likes plus to plus the kinds of outside activities. Okay, now the question is when we can use like. Okay, we can use like if the subject like I, you, we, they, Kire and Kiran, my friends, and my teachers. So we need to use like if there are more than one person, include I and you. And then how about likes? We can use likes if the subjects are she, he, Kirana, Melati, Marvel, my friend, and my teacher. So it means we need to use likes if there is only one person. Only one person. Okay, so let's see the examples here. The first one is, what do you like to do? We need to use what plus do plus the subject plus like to do. When we want to answer the question, we can use the subject plus like plus to plus the kinds of outside activities. I like to play badminton. Okay, how about the second question? What do they like to do? In here, why we need to use do? Because the subject is they. It means more than one person. So that's why we need to say, what do they like to do? They like to play soccer. In the answer, we need to use like because the subject is they. Okay, how about this question? What does she like to do? We need to use does, not do, but does because the subject is she, only one. And then the answer is she likes to play skateboard. Look at here, the subject in the answer is she. That's why we need to use likes. She likes to play skateboard. Okay. The other example is, what does he like to play? He likes to play baseball. In the question, we need to use does because the subject is he. In the answer, we need to use likes because the subject is she. Okay, he likes to play baseball. Okay, how about this question? What do Mirna and Mercy like to do? In here, the subjects are Mirna and Mercy. There are two. That's why we need to use do. What do Mirna and Mercy like to do? They like to play jump rope. Mirna and Mercy refers to they. So that's why we need to use like, not likes, Okay, what do your friends like to do? They like to play basketball. In here, your friends are more than one because we can see there is S. So it means we need to use do. What do your friends like to do? They like to play basketball. In here, your friends means or refers to they. Yeah, so that's why we need to use like. Okay, the other example is, what does your friend like to do? She likes to play swing. And here why we need to use does in the question, because the subject is only one, only your friend. Yeah, in here we can see that your friends refers to she. That's why we need to use likes in the answer. She likes to play swing. Okay, how about this example? What does your brother like to do? He likes to fly a kite. In here, your brother means he. That's why in the answer we need to use likes. He likes to fly a kite. Okay, and then how about this question? What do primary 2 students like to do? In here we can see that primary 2 students with S. It means there are some students. So that's why in the answer we need to say they like to play tennis. Yeah, primary 2 students in here refers to they. They like to play tennis. Okay, and then the other example is, what does Edward like to do? He likes to ride a bike. In the question, we need to use does because the subject is only one, only Edward. And then in the answer, we need to use likes because the subject is he. Okay everyone, I think that's all from Miss Lia about how to make the question when we want to know what do our friends like to do. That's all for today. Thank you and bye-bye.